Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Legend of YMR game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings and here you have to search for the game if it's listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. The game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search, go to the settings. Now click on Windows update option. Now click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. Wait for some time. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background processes tab here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting them, right click on it and click on end task. So this will remove the app that is running in the background completely and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get a repair or install option. Click on yes, wait for some time and after you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it. This can stop you from playing the game smoothly and crashes or lagging or other issues can occur. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus program before you launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam. Under libraries, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. Confirm this. After confirming it, now log into your Steam once again, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next just install DirectX on your system. For that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that, install it. After you install it, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. Open it. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Legend of YMR game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Legend of YMIR game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Legend of YMIR game crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.